Hello, everyone. I want to specially welcome you to the Wealth Makers community. If you're on this meeting right now or watching the recorded session, it definitely means that you are now a part of our community. Now, maybe you're watching this and you're not yet a part of the community. You saw the link somewhere and you're now watching this. Make sure you reach out to somebody who, probably sent you this link or you saw this link from to get you started on the community. The Wealth Makers community has been in existence for about 7 years now, and I have been a member of the Wealth Makers community for about 6 years. Now, this means that I have been able to make money from my phone for 6 years now, all through my smartphone, being able to make an extra income, which right now is my main income. And of course, able to change lives. I've been able to help thousands of people across the world make money just from plugging into the Wealth Makers community. So I'm going to be taking you through the newbie session. I'll be onboarding you, showing you all how to use the services that you have paid for to ensure that you do not miss out on all the money, the daily money that we will be making here on the Wealth Makers community. Now, listen, one thing that is very important for me is setting goals. I do know that so many people think this is just all motivation and talks, but before you start this meeting, before you continue this meeting, ensure that you have your goals written down, your why, and your why has to be very strong. Not only should you write this down, take a picture of it and send it to the person who plugged you into this opportunity. Let them know why you need to get this done. Let them know your goals, how much you want to make within the next 30 days, the next 60 days, the next 90 days. And like I said, they will plug you in immediately. Now, of course, there are apps you need to download. One very important app is the G4 app. Go ahead and search your app store or your Google Play Store and download this app if you do not have it. Now, I want you to do this as I do, right? Do not just watch this and then go ahead and try this. It's easier for you to do this with me. So go ahead and do this as I do it. So whatever I'm doing, you should be doing the same thing on your own end. So if you've not downloaded the app, make sure you download it right now. Just pause this video and download the app. And there's also a link that you'll be required to click. Your coach or mentor must have sent you a link that it will be using on this call. I'm going to share my screen with you. Once you can see it, you just get started with me or let me know in the chat. So here, all right. So here you go. As you can see this, I already have this logged in. Now, all you need to do is click the link or search GFood Live. The moment you search this, you're able to get into this using your email and password. It takes you into this. This is what you should be seeing on your screen. You should be seeing this on your screen. This is exactly what you should be seeing on your screen. Now, as you can see, it shows you Forex, crypto. Okay, I believe everyone can see this. Yes. So it should show you Forex, crypto, e-commerce. Yes, that's what you paid for. You paid for this wonderful academy where you be getting, great value in all these sections. But this meeting is really about Forex and crypto. This onboarding session is really to onboard you into the Forex and crypto platform. Now, the very first thing I want to take you through is our educational platform. Once you click here, once you come on here, you'd see Forex. Click Forex to go through the Forex educational platform. Now, there are two ways we'll be learning on here. Number one is through recorded sessions. You will be learning through recorded sessions, number one, meaning that some videos have been prepared for you here that you can go through to get exactly what you need in the Forex space. So this starts from the very beginning. It takes you from the beginner level to the intermediate and advanced level. Let's go through it real quick. So you scroll down here, you see it, beginner model, intermediate model, and the advanced model. So as a beginner, you of course need to start from the very beginning. So how do you do this? You simply click the beginner model. And once you click this, it opens up another. So you click this. The moment you click it, it opens up another tab or another place where you would now see all the beginner videos, starting from price action, candlesticks, everything, pips, You learn how to calculate pips, what pips are, some of these terms that are important in trading, the trading sessions and how important the trading sessions are, trends, trend lines, support, resistance, all these. And once you're done with the beginner session, what do you need to do next? Go ahead and start the intermediate model and then the advanced model. Listen to me, you want to take this seriously. Make sure you go through all the videos in all the models that we have on here. Now, not only do we have recorded sessions, we also have live trading sessions. We have live trading sessions. How do you know the educators that are live? Simply come down here where you have the scheduled sessions. As you can see, these are the Forex educators, and you can see the time that they will be coming up. We have Jay Owl, and as you can see here, Jay Owl on Monday will be coming up for the Trend Trap Pro. That's what he'll be teaching. Right, he teaches a strategy called Trend Trap. So Trend Trap Pro at 16 o'clock, which is 4 p.m. And then you have Tuesday, 1 p.m. So all you need to do is really come on here. We do know that so many of us are so busy. Yes, we're so busy. And all you need to do, like I said, is come on here, take a pen and just check what time am I free to join these sessions? Whose session is going to happen at my free time? Yes, whose session? Look at that, Kenvry Moore. As you can see, he has his times, and on this day, Tuesday, he even comes up twice, right? So you go ahead and check your free time, make sure this aligns with your schedule, and prepare this how it is going to be convenient for you. However way this will be convenient for you, go ahead and set it. Now, let me tell you this. The good thing is you will not be missing out on anything. So all these educators record their sessions. So if there's a live session that you miss, if I miss Kenvry Moore's session, for example, I simply need to come on here to click Kenvry Moore. And the moment I click his name, I just go ahead to recorded sessions and I'm able to catch up on whatever I miss. In fact, recorded sessions from far back will be made available to you here. So all you need to do, like I said, is go to their recorded sessions and catch up on any session that you were not able to join. The education here is top notch. They have been able to put together several educators, the best of the best educators, to ensure that you get value. They have put together great educators to ensure that you get value on here. Now, listen, not only would you be joining live sessions to learn from these educators, you would also be joining live sessions to trade with these educators. Yes, there are live sessions where you're just joining to trade. There will be live sessions where you're joining to trade with them. Now, this is also crypto. Oh, before I come on here, let's just go back to the Forex platform. I want to show you something real quick. Now here, as you can see, let's go to Kenvry Moore, for example. Now, if you look at the Tuesday session, all right, on Tuesday, you have market analysis and live analysis at 4 p.m. And underneath, you would see perfect entry trading session at 9 a.m. Listen to me. You want to set your alarm for this session. I'm telling you, you really want to set your alarm for this session. Now, the good thing is your coach or mentor would really tell you some educators you want to focus on. So we have a list of educators that would send to you and you'll be able to focus on these educators. This is not to say all educators are not good, but you know how focus works. When you focus on a few people, you're able to even maximize your results now, so you're not all over the place. Because trust me, we have so many educators on here and they are all professionals. We have Josh Lee, several educators. Now, let's go on so we do not take so much time. Now, not only do we have the Forex platform, like I said, we also have the crypto. And the crypto here, the crypto platform here is really killing it, helping people make so much money on the side of what they do or full-time from the comfort of their home. Myself, for example, I only started this as a side hustle back then in 2019, but fast forward to, today I'm doing this full-time from the comfort of my home, having time for my children and all that. Now, if you go ahead and click crypto here, you'd see this. So you have the same thing, just like I explained, the beginner model, intermediate, and then you'd have the scheduled sessions where we have our crypto educators, Daniel Lopez, Cedric, Nick Gomez, all these people on here. Now, this is, these people are just for crypto. Remember, these are not Forex educators. This is not the Forex schedule. So you need to also check, what time am I free to join these people, to join the crypto sessions? And you can also go ahead and watch the recorded sessions. Now, how do you join live sessions? You either click a particular educator, and once you click the educator, you're able to go ahead and join their live sessions, or you just go ahead and click here where you have live at the top here with the red button. Once you click here, you're able to see the educators that are live at the moment. As you can see, no educator is live on here on the crypto side, and so nobody is showing live now. Let me just go ahead and check if anybody is live on the Forex now. What's the time? Okay, hold on while I go through this. So I've just shown you, number one, how to access your recorded videos for you to learn from the beginner level all the way to the advanced level, both on Forex and crypto. I've also just shown you how to access your live session schedule so that you can prepare yourself better. I've shown you how to also catch up on live sessions that you missed. And of course, how to join these live sessions. Now, I'm just going to go through this again. Joining live sessions, you could click this live session button, the red button here, and you're able to see people that are currently live. Or you just go ahead and click a particular educator that you would want to join their live session, come all the way here to the schedule, click, I'm going to click this person right now and click live stream. Right, live stream. As you can also see, it shows that this person is offline right now, as there's no current live session going on this person's channel. If there was a live session going on and you clicked and you go ahead and click live stream, you would definitely see the live stream showing here. So these are the ways to really navigate through this whole platform, the Forex and crypto. So the Academy is really straightforward. There's no much stuff to do. So every beginner finds this really friendly because they're able to learn here seamlessly. Now, let's go ahead and really check on how to use the services, money-making services. Because remember, you're not here to just learn. You would also be making money on the side. I'm going to share my screen on my phone. Let me know if this is clear once I go ahead and share. Oh, I think I need to also join this session on my phone. Hold on while I just do this real quick. Hold on. I'm here. So I want to join you my phone. So go ahead and open up your G-Full Connect app, the G-Full app that you downloaded. It's time for us to use this app, learn how to use it. Awesome. So I already have this app downloaded. So I believe everyone has this app downloaded right now. If you're watching this,
Recording in progress.
You need to ensure you have the app downloaded. I'll just go ahead and share this. My screen, start. Now, the moment you click this app, the first thing you would see is, asking you to put in your display name, first name, last name, date of birth. Just go ahead and fill that and click continue, log that in. And the next page you would see come up is the select and follow page. Now, for those of you who do not yet have the list of educators to follow on this platform, you could get the list from your coach or mentor, or just go ahead and maybe click all, as you can always unfollow anybody that you no longer want to follow. So one very important person to follow here is definitely Kenvry Moore and several other people, but because of time, I'll just go ahead and choose this two just to show you how to do this. You go ahead and click follow, and yes, it says successfully subscribed. So you would need to subscribe to the educators. If you do not subscribe to a particular educator, you will not see updates on their trade ideas, their live sessions, everything. Now, of course, you do not necessarily have to subscribe to everyone. That's why I said you need a list of educators from your coach or mentor to know who you're going to subscribe to know the person who you need to subscribe to. Yes. So Let's go on. All right. Now, as you can see, because I subscribe to Kenvin Moore, I can see on the home page, the very first key down here where you have the home, it will show you updates from everyone you're subscribed to. Look at this. He gave an FX buy idea today at 12:29 p.m. Look at that on SP 500. Break and close above this zone. He gave all entries, giving you the stop loss invalidation is stop loss. Exit 1 is your take profit 1, exit 2 is your take profit 2. You'd understand what take profit stop loss is. If you're on this call and you do not know it, do not worry. You would have another video where you would learn how to use MT5 and the terms, how to really take trade on your MT5 or MT4, depending on what you use. Maybe trade locker, whatever platform you'll be trading on. There'll be another video to teach you how to take the trades. But let's learn how to use the services. Now, the very first part, like I said, is the home key where you'll be seeing updates from all the people that you're subscribed to. The second part would show you the tap to trade. Tap to trade. Look at that. This is a way to also take trade ideas. This is how this works. Because there's no new trade idea right now, I cannot necessarily teach you how to use it, but would also have a short video, very explanatory. It is straightforward. Whenever you receive a trade idea, you simply need to click tap. You simply need to open up the trade idea. The moment you open up the trade idea, you're only choosing your lot size. Your lot size, of course, is the risk you're willing to take on that account. And by the time you learn how to take trades on your MT4, MT5, which is really pretty straightforward, you'd understand how lot size plays role in trading. And once you choose your lot size, you just go ahead and agree to the terms and condition and click copy idea. Really straightforward. Like I said, do not worry, we have a way to show you how to take that. Now, connecting the broker is also really straightforward. You saw why I clicked. I just went ahead to click the human structure beside ideas. And then you go ahead and click Forex trading account. Once you click Forex trading account, you'll be able to connect your broker to the tap to trade platform. If your broker is not connected to this platform, you will not be able to tap to trade. You'll not be able to automatically copy this. What the tap to trade means is whenever you get a new trade idea on tap to trade, you simply need to put your lot size and click copy idea. Once you copy idea, the idea is automatically taken for you. The trade idea is automatically taken for you. So it means that you will not need to do any copy and paste. You will not need to do any of all that. Just tap to trade. This is one way that we receive trade ideas. Now, not all educators will send trade ideas on tap to trade, but I'll just go ahead and show you other ways that we receive trade ideas. Now, first things first, you need to connect your broker. So if you use an MT4, you select MT4, you use MT5, go ahead and select MT5. You select an account name, your name. Now, your login will be the account login, your broker, right? Your broker will, of course, give you an account login. You go ahead and select it and put your trading password. The moment you put that, click I accept the terms and condition, and you click link account, and it will successfully link. Provided you put in the right login, the right password, and the right trading platform, it will definitely link to the tap to trade. Pretty straightforward, like I said. Now, all would show you all the trade ideas that has been sent. Active will show you actively running trade ideas, and history would show you trade ideas that have closed out. As you can see, August 5th, right, this trade idea was called today. It was a gold trade idea just an hour ago, and this is closed right now. This idea has closed. The status shows you closed. We are no longer in this trade idea. But what happened? People made money, 336 pips on this trade idea. With the lowest risk, which is 0.01, you would have made $33 on this trade idea. Now, down here, you can see another one, which was, of course, last week, 460 pips. On the lowest risk, you would have made $46 on that trade idea just from tapping to take trade ideas. The educators do all the analysis, put it into the tap to trade app, and you simply need to tap to copy the trade idea. How easy is that? Really easy way to make money, right? Now, that's exactly why Wealth Makers partnered with these wonderful services to help every single person that we come across make some good money starting from now and forever, honestly, because this is a skill set that can never be taken away from you. And the next part shows you educational, and you will most likely see no content, just as you're seeing here. But remember, I have already shown you how to access your education, so you should have no problems. Now, the fourth part will show you your channels. All right, your channels. Now, also, if you have not yet joined the channels, you want to really come on here where you have explore, and you would need to subscribe to these channels. You would need to subscribe to these channels: the premium FX idea, basic ideas, premium crypto ideas. Subscribe to all these channels. Simply click explore and you'll be able to subscribe to them. Anyways, what would these channels be like? Let's go ahead and check this. Now, once you click this channel, remember, we have gone through tap to trade. This is another way to get trade ideas. The premium FX ideas will show you trade ideas on Forex. Now, once you open this up, it will show you trade ideas, and not just trade ideas, but what's it called now? Updates on these trade ideas. Now let's go ahead and check this out. Here, Eric Lucas gave a trade idea today, 11 a.m. He gave this trade idea and he said, I want us to trade XAUUSD and a sell limit at 3361. What would you be doing? Remember, I said we'll teach you also how to copy and paste these trade ideas. You simply need to copy these figures, right? I'll copy the invalidation, which is stop loss on your MT4, MT5, paste it where you have stop loss, copy your TP1, paste it where you have take profits, and go ahead and set a pending order, which is he gave it as a sell limit. You go ahead and set a sell limit and click this price, the entry price, copy and paste the entry price. Guess what? The next thing was the trade idea activated, and he sent an update saying we're now 25 pips in profit. What happened next? TP1 smashed. People made money from this trade idea. XAUUSD full TP hit. So not only the TP1 smash, but people went ahead to also smash TP2 on this trade idea. If you took this trade idea, what would it have been for you? Money, right? Now here, this we will also get, updates. You'd receive updates every week, just telling you how the week was, how the month was, the month of July. This is how many trade ideas this educator sent. Nick Gomez, for example, sent 30 ideas in July, and in July, he sent 30 trade ideas, 21 completed, 9 incomplete, 20 trade ideas hit TP. What would that mean to your bank account? Again, I say money. So let's go. So this is how to really access this. Remember, I just clicked the fourth icon and I was able to see the premium FX ideas and the premium crypto ideas. All right, the premium crypto ideas. Now, this one will show you trade ideas on cryptocurrencies. Look at that: XRP USD, SL USD, look at this, ETH USD, different trade ideas, and you could keep going on. So whenever there's a new trade idea on this one, you would find it here. Now, this is just another way to earn while learning. What have we covered on here? In case you're lost, you want to go back. That's the importance of recording this so that you can always go back to understand how this works. So you simply need to understand how to access your educational platform so you're learning with these educators. And I did mention that not all live sessions are for education. We make money on some of these live sessions, right? Even if we're learning there, we're also trading there. They give us some trade ideas to make money with on these live sessions. Now, remember, also the tap to trade, you need to connect your broker to be able to tap to trade. And of course, the channels where you'll be copying and pasting trade ideas. These channels, these educators, don't play with them. Now, the next thing I want us to learn, of course, any event here, you could click the calendar and it shows you upcoming events and stuff. Now, the next thing, you'll be learning how to use the scanners, how to use the scanners. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this with my phone while I continue with this. Yes. How to use the scanners. Now, we have scanners on here. We're going back to the, we just left the app So first we were on this website where we access the education and all that. Next, I had to go to the Jifu app that you already downloaded before this meeting or during this meeting. And I showed you how to use the app and the value you'll be getting on the app. The next thing now is to really see how to use the scanners where you'll be making money from. We have scanners that will be giving you good trade ideas. Now, how do you access the scanners? Once you come onto this website, go ahead and click here where you have on the left-hand side where you have the menu bar. You go ahead and click scanners where you have home, economic news, and scanners. Click the scanners and you have all 9 scanners. Some of you might not have access to all scanners if you have not paid for this package that will give you access. But I mean, what better package than a package that gives you access to everything? Imagine people making money using, probably Supernova, and you do not have it. You feel left out. So it's just great to have all the scanners. Now, these are the scanners, and you can click here where you have learn how to use the GFO scanners. The moment you click here, you're able to really learn how to use all scanners. There are great tutorials teaching you how to use the scanners. And once you click any scanner of your choice, you will be able to learn. This one has tutorials teaching you how to learn how to use the trend wave scanner. It is really straightforward. Short videos to teach you how to use these scanners. Now, if I want to learn how to use golden era, I simply need to click golden era and it shows me tutorials on that. Kill shot, so Sniper Pro, Smart Monix, Quantum, Supernova, Wolf X, all these. You would simply learn how to use this from here. Currently, I'm in love with these 3 scanners, and I'm not even trying to, box you. Make sure you learn how to use all scanners, okay? So I really love this Trend Wave, Kill Shot, and Sniper Pro. I use all 3 of them to take a single trade. Now, I'm going to go back to the scanners. How do I use these 3 scanners? Because of time, I might not go all in here. But once I click the trend wave scanner, the very first thing I do, I want to show you a few important things with the trend wave scanner, even if you would find this in the tutorial. So really, you can end your onboarding session from here and go ahead and learn from the tutorials. Or you go ahead with me to learn just some basic things when it comes to these scanners. Now, with the trend wave, as you can see here where you have the B sign, it indicates cryptocurrency. Now, whenever you click that part, it means that you want to trade cryptocurrencies. I really love the scanners, especially for people who are usually busy. There are people who would say, Bianca, I was at work. I'm not permitted to use my phone. I couldn't take the trade idea that was sent to us on the FX channel. I couldn't take the trade idea that was sent to us on the tap to trade. I did not even see it. Guess what? The scanners got you. You simply need to come at your free time and check on whatever currency pair you want to trade, and you're able to see what the scanner is predicting would happen to this currency that you've chosen. For example, I chose B, which is cryptocurrency, and I went to BTC USD. The next thing is, this is telling me, look, Bianca, we are expecting a buy. How do I know it's a buy that this trend wave has just said to me? When you see long at the end, right? Long is indicating a buy, short is indicating a sell. Let me just tell you the easiest way to know this. Whenever you buy at an entry price, you're expecting the market to go up for you to make money, right? And if I go ahead and sell at an entry price, I'm expecting the market to come down for me to make money. It means that whenever my exit is above entry, automatically it's a buy idea. That's why my exit is above entry. Whenever my exit is below entry, it's a sell idea. Do you get that? So here, for example, entry was given on here and then telling you exit 1, which is your take profit 1, take profit 2, different take profit targets will be given to you. And of course, stop loss, a very important figure to protect your account so that you have the opportunity to make your money back from the next trade or even way more and end up in profit. That's the importance of a stop loss of the invalidation figure. Now, would I just go ahead and jump on this trade and say, oh, Trendwave has told me to enter for a buy and all that? No, I don't just enter it. Even if most times Trendwave is, kind of spot on with their figures, with their entries, with their, trade ideas. But I would go ahead and confirm this from the two other scanners that I use. So I'll go ahead and click kill shots. All right. I'll go ahead and click kill shots. I'll go ahead and click kill shots. The moment I click kill shots, it opens up for me. So here, as you can see, excuse me. So I select this. Hold on, it's opening up. This is coming up. This took me back to trend wave. Hold on. Okay, so I just realized I did not complete that part where I mentioned B for cryptocurrency. I'll come back there. I'll come back there, right? I'll come back there, but let's just go ahead and click this. So I'm on Q shots now. I'm currently on Q shot scanner. Yes. So what's Q shot saying? Good volume, nice. So the market has, liquidity going on here, the same currency, but what the trend wave give me? A buy, right? So what I'm really expecting here is to see up, 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 up to confirm my buy. Well, we have most of this saying up, 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 and above, above, good volume, which is kind of confirming the buy, right? Kind of confirms the buy with me. But for a more accurate result, it's just best when all the time frame really just shows you up to confirm the buy and above to confirm the buy. But for something like this, you also are kind of still on the side of a buy because it's really showing you more of the up, up, up. As you can see, up is for buy, down is for sell, or blue for buy, red for sell, above for buy, where you have this, right? Now, that's for the kill shots. And sometimes you'd see show low volume telling you, oh, there's no liquidity in the market right now. Money is not in the market. The market is not volatile. The movement of the market you would notice that is not as fast, right, when the volume is low. Now, after kill shots, I'm kind of still on the side of my buy, right? But I would not still take this trade idea. I'll go ahead and click Sniper Pro. I'll go ahead and click Sniper Pro for my third confirmation. Let me tell you, the moment you get confirmation from these three scanners and all confirmations are on point, most likely that trade idea would end in profit. I said it. Most likely that trade idea would end in profit. So the next thing is I'm clicking Sniper Pro. Sniper Pro, I'm gonna have to refresh this. Sometimes you click it, it doesn't show anything. Just go ahead and refresh. It could be your network, your internet. Okay. Now, hold on while this comes through. I'm trying to ensure this is not a long session because so that we're able to really finish up. This is not opening up as we want, but okay. Just gonna refresh again. So on here, I'm just going to show you how the Sniper Pro works, and just for the third confirmation. But remember, I already showed you how to, once you watch those videos on how to use the scanners, you'll be very fine. I'm telling you, you will be very fine. So I don't know why this is not coming up now, but I do not want this to take our time. Uh, da, da, da. So the Sniper Pro really just confirms for you where you would see it show you if it's a bearish trend or a bullish trend. Where you see bearish, you know that's a sell. You see bullish, you know that's a buy, right? It shows you that. It's not coming up now, but you can always watch that video on how to use the scanners. You would see it show you bearish. So for a buy, for example, I would expect to see bullish trending, right? Bullish trending. And I'll take it when it's on a very strong or strong. So if your Sniper Pro is opening up, there you go. Let's go. So as you can see here, it shows me bullish trending, very strong. This is a strong confirmation for a buy, right? It shows me bullish, trending, very strong. Now, if I had seen bearish here and maybe neutral or weak, very weak, I'm not going to take that trade. But in this case where it's showing me bullish, trending, very strong, trend wave confirmed the buy, I opened kill shots and it sort of confirmed my buy still on different time frames. And this one also is now confirming the buy, telling me go ahead. What would I do after checking these three? I simply go to my trend wave scanner and take those entries. You know, it gave me my entry. So I take note of the entry that was given, the take profit, which is the exit one, exit two, the take profit, the stop loss, which is the invalidation. And those are the figures I'll be putting into my broker to take the trade. And once I take that trade, I'll be good to go. As you can see here, I'll just go ahead and take the trade, the buy trade at this entry and take my profit here, stop loss here, all this, because all three scanners have given me a strong confirmation. Now, real quick, I'll just go through this now. As you, where you see the B sign, that's where you can now, once you click on B, you go to symbols, you're able to choose any cryptocurrency that you want to see what's going on that cryptocurrency or see a possible trade idea on there. The E sign will show you the Forex symbols. I've just clicked the E sign. So as you can see, these are Forex currency pairs, right? This sign where you have the candlesticks will show you the indices, stocks, NAS 100, US 30, NAS 100 on your broker might be US Tech on XNES, US 100 on some brokers. Depending on the broker you use, just go ahead and ask your coach or mentor. Now, the fourth sign here, right? This fourth sign is for commodities. You have oils, Brent oil, crude oil, where you have UK oil, US oil, gold, the metals, gold, platinum, silver. Now, if I want to see what's happening on gold, I simply need to click gold and go ahead and use whatever scanner of my I want to use, any scanner of my choice, and it shows me what to expect on that currency, on that pair, on that metal, whatever it is, right? The metal, the oil, whatever it is you want to trade. This is gold, for example, and this is what Trendwave is showing me for gold, telling me short, which is like a sell, right? Entry will be here, Bianca, enter here, exit here. It's giving me a sell trade idea. And remember, I would not just go ahead and jump into that trade idea. I love to confirm with kill shots and Sniper Pro. The moment Killshot and Sniper Pro give me the confirmation, all three, look at that, down, 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 below, below, mostly down, kind of, and good volume. I love it. So I go ahead to now Sniper Pro to see what is Sniper Pro saying. Is it going to tell me is bearish? Is it going to say bullish? Right? Is it confirming this? Now, Sniper Pro, for example, in this case, has said it is a bullish, what's it called? A bullish trend, right? Bullish trend indicating, oh, this is not exactly trending, is neutral, It's not a strong trend, right? We're not getting that strong bullish trend buy. But let me explain something else that is very important. When you see pulling back, it's telling me it's bullish, but it's pulling back. So most people might even understand that, okay, a bullish trend, but I'm getting pullbacks, so I'm able to scalp sales to make money. But honestly, I would not advise this trade idea because this third confirmation is not strong enough. So it's not really a strong trade idea to get into. But what this pulling back means is, oh, a bullish trend, but it's pulling back. You're having some pullbacks right now. And as you can see, it's neutral. It's not exactly a strong one or something. So I do hope we got value from this session.